How to use TeraBox's cleanup function. Where is the cleanup function of TeraBox? First, open TeraBox, click Space Analyzer on the home page. It will display the amount of space your phone has used. Enter and let TeraBox help you clean up space on your phone. How to use TeraBox's cleanup function? Follow the steps by Space Analyzer. The first step, enable automatic photo backup. The second step, enable automatic video backup. This is a premium benefit and you can try it now with a 7-day free trial. The third step, after completing the first 2 steps, click Clear immediately. TeraBox will clean up the photos or videos you have backed up to free up your mobile phone's storage space. 300 gigabytes, inviting friend and earning extra space. Now that the welfare center has been optimized, you can get extra 300 gigabytes of space, which is still completely free. Click the promotional image in the app or click the avatar to enter the welfare center, and you can participate in the activity. Invite one friend to successfully register TeraBox. You can use 1.3 terabyte of storage space. Come and join in the TeraBox app. Limited time event for the first 5,000 users. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, please leave a message in the comment section or send an email to helpdesk@terabox.com.